All right, traders, Mike here with the watch list video, last watch list video of 2023. The markets closed Monday. I think most of you know that, and then we'll have a 4-day week next week. I am done with all of my family holiday stuff, so I am back to full time for sure starting tomorrow. But who knows what to expect on a Friday before a 3-day weekend, and then we'll see what happens next week. I think I did see a tweet, somebody talking about a lot of financial info or financial news coming out next week. So we'll see what that does to the market. As it goes for the market today, this tiny little red looking plus sign just shows you that it was a very narrow range day, right? Look at that, just straight sideways chop all day. Try to see the range. 476.26 was the low. 477.55. So I don't know, like $1.30 in range for the SPY, which is amazingly dead, right? I don't have any highlights for you because I didn't really trade today either. I worked on some things for the group, putting together a terminology page for new members and that sort of thing. But we'll be at it full time tomorrow. As you guys know, I focus on stocks that are in play. There's the explanation. So cash every night, and then you could pause the video if you need to go back and read that. Most of you have seen it, right? So what are the in-play stocks that I'm watching for Friday? SIDU has to be on the list, right? 18 million shares traded hands and a big move. We're going to watch that one tomorrow. NVFY, normally I wouldn't have something that had this kind of range but closed about where it opened, right, and way off its highs. Normally I wouldn't have that on watch, but as I'm talking to you in after hours, this actually was over 850 a little bit ago. It's at 736 right now. So probably a gapper tomorrow, which lands it on our watch list. DATS, nice breakout today. See if it gives a second day play setup tomorrow. CING kind of reminds me of that NVFY, but it's the one that had that massive move in after hours yesterday. So who knows? Right now it's trading at 781, so gapping down. Maybe tomorrow, we'll see, but I'm going to put it on watch because it's a recent high flyer. GREE, I believe Bitcoin related. This high back here from July, it took that out yesterday, and then today put in a red day, but overall this has made a move from 5 to over 9 in 3 sessions. So I'm just calling this a 1-day rest and maybe off to the races tomorrow, maybe another red day tomorrow, but I do think it's worth keeping on watch, especially if Bitcoin gets a move. That's GREE, BKKT, kind of the same thing. Another Bitcoin play. Quiet inside day today. POL, I like the looks of this chart. Had that big rip about a week ago, sideways and starting to curl up. Definitely want to keep that one on watch. CHRS. Not sure if it's exactly a bullish engulfing day because I don't know if it went below yesterday. So either way, that's an impressive candle after yesterday's gap up and a red daily candle. So now we're above yesterday's high. That one lands on watch. TTOO. Didn't mean to do that. Hate when I do that. Let me zoom in a little bit. And you can see the kind of the nice pop today. We'll see if we get a follow-through setup tomorrow. MBOT. Nice breakout today. Maybe a second day play there. And lastly, CDMO. Kind of a sleeper pick. Had this big volume back here, but then coiling ever since. Maybe a breakout one of these days. So that one is going to land on a chart. And as always, we will add others to this list as we see what's gapping in the morning. And that's it for me. I'll see everybody in the chat room in the pre-market.